news presentation in different dialects in Biafra land. Of course, Biafrans are people with different dialects, but the same culture. This is Radio Biafra Extra. We are streaming live through Radio Biafra London, be anchored by the Deputy Leader of the Indigenous People of Biafra, Mazi Uchi Ukafomefo. He is from Abatete. Abatete is in Anambra. Anambra State is Biafra land. He is the man who has assured us that he will not allow the heart of this project to see corruption. He said, I will not allow the heart of this project to see corruption. I will not allow the heart of this project to see corruption. And I tell you, this is something we treasure as the indigenous people of Biafra. Because the greatest menace, the greatest evil against us as a people has always been the monster called corruption. And if you can be able to exist without being corrupt yourself, morally or otherwise, as a Homo sapien, it doesn't matter who you are. And then of the truth, you are clean. You are holy, you are righteous, you are sanctified, you are a child of heaven. But if there is an atom of corruption in you, if you like be Pope, if you like be Imam, if you like be Muhammad, you are evil. And as such, you should be condemned. In a city or a zoo of over 1.8 million people, you hardly find few individuals who are not corrupt. The Nigerian continually existence is to tell you that a lot of people who call themselves world power are actually corrupt, and they are responsible for the evil and atrocity you see across the globe. And sometimes they want us to, you say this thing, in a very gentleman way. And so when I come here now begin to say, we are appealing to Donald Trump, he should help us. We are now appealing to Gazette leader, he should help us. We are appealing, and then Holy Ghost should help us. Nonsense. Around nonsense. Around nonsense. The people they took into slavery, did they not plead for their freedom? Did they not plead for their life? Did they ever get this freedom? The people that are being killed, are they not appealing to the world to come to their aid? Is there anybody coming to the rescue of the Christians? And somebody saying, no, don't talk to Cardinal Rize. If you talk to Cardinal Rize, he's going to insult IPOB. It's going to not be good for IPOB. Without apology, if you are a Catholic member, you cannot advise Cardinal Rize to sit back and think. I'm sorry for you because you are the most hopeless human being. Cardinal Rize has not spoken up. How many Catholic people that have been killed? How many Catholic people that have been burned down in the northern part of this zoo called Nigeria? In fact, there is a Catholic church somewhere in Kano where they went and used petrol bomb to burn down almost 380 people. Pope didn't say anything. Cardinal Rize didn't say anything. And now he's telling us to join politics. Does he know the meaning of politics in terms of African terms? Does Cardinal Rize or anybody yapping and asking IPOB to get involved in politics, do they really know the meaning or the true definition of politics when it comes to the African mentality? When you are doing anything and somebody say, oh boy, come, we know they're here to do politics. So no, you are not a sincere person. No, they see you as a fraudulent person. Because politics, according to Nigerian definition, is a system where some people use the government power as a tool to defraud their people. That is politics. That is why in Nigeria, they will rob you for 4 years, and after 4 years, they will come and give you sachet gare. They will deceive you and promise you heaven and earth. We will tie road from here to Costa Rica. We will give you free education. You will go to Harvard University in Toronto, China, Ndiara, and you'll be jumping up and down. This is politics in Africa, for your information. I won't go further until you understand. I still remain George Onyibe. I am from Abo. Abo is in Delta State. Delta State is in Biafra land. Every piece of land, anybody in Delta State telling you it's not a Biafra, we will check their brain when the time comes. Because only corruption would have damaged their brain. Only corruption. Biafrans, wake up. If you are listening to me, I need you to go and do assignment. Only 2 questions. And hopefully by the grace of Chukwu Okike Abiama, all things being equal, on Sunday evening, I will want, the line will be open so Biafrans across the globe can call in and give us answer to these questions. It's going to take us a long way. Number one of this question is, why is it that the colonial master, the Hausa and the Yoruba, Why is it that those who has power over any community in Africa, the first move they make is to change their name? Have you ever tried wondering it? That is one. Number two question is, why is it that all the Islamic jihadists all over the globe are supporting Barrow Dambanza Fulani headsmen to kill Biafrans? And some of you will think, no, it's not all the Muslim. There is no single Muslim in the world that is not aiding and abetting Fulani headsmen. No single Muslim community in the world that is not empowering Miati Allah, empowering the government of the terrorists of the day in Nigeria. I will tell you the reason on Sunday evening. And so if you are not a Muslim nation, you see Muslim people